Yay!
Okay, everybody.
Okay, here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nora. Happy birthday to you. All right.
All right. Here's your birthday cake. All right, let her. It's okay.
Thank you. Go ahead, dig in.
Eat it. It's num nums.
Num num. You like making with it.
Allie, can you step to the side just a little bit? Oh gosh.
Allie, go sit down. Or come over here.
I want to be in the picture.
Now come out of the picture.
Is that yummy? The feet are going.
Happy birthday! He's like, I like birthdays.
I have cake. I have cake. I have cake.
She likes the icing. Oh boy. Is that numbers? Yeah. Nora's first goatee. I'm so proud. Nora, look at Daddy.
That's just like you when you were a baby.
You look like your daddy.
No.
Just shove. She's fisting it in there.
But she can't eat the strawberry.
Yeah, she.
Yum yum.
Is that good?
Yes. Mommy, I asked you if I could have some milk.
Want some milk?
Mommy, I asked you.
That's gonna be messy.
Allie, be patient, please.
Now she'll really like milk. Now she's experienced the wonder of cake with milk. What
Yeah.
was that?
Hannah, will you please grab Nora's water sippy under your chair? Okay, where is it? Thank you, Allie.
Oh boy, Nori. Oh boy. Is that nummy nums? The feet are going.
Is that nummies?
Mommy, Dad, can I have a piece of cake?
Yep.
Me too. I can't wait to taste the
Are you all done?
She didn't even try the cake.
Here, do you want some water?
She's all done.
No? Are you all done with cake?
Hannah, break off a small piece of the cake part for her. Not the frosting, just the cake. Let her try that.
I think she likes the frosting.
This is your Hannah.
Okay. Oh, that's good. No, Mama, I need that cake.
Okay, girls, I want all of you to go stand behind Nora, please, so I can take a picture. It's behind her. Okay, look here. Say Nora's birthday.
Hannah, stop licking your fingers for a minute. Daddy's taking a picture.